Friends, now we will discuss a topic called finding even factors of a number. Finding even factors of a number. So we are taking a number called 36. So let us find the factors of it. 1 into 36 will give 36. 2 into 18 will give 36. 3 into 12 is equal to 36. 4 into 9 is also equal to 36, and 6 into 6 is also equal to 36. If we go in this order, we will get the factors including 1 and itself. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are the total number of factors including 1 and itself, right? But now our concept is different. Our concept is finding only even factors. The factors which are even numbers. Okay, so what are even numbers here? 2 is an even number, 4 is an even number, 6 is an even number, 12 is an even number, 18 is an even number, 36 is an even number. How many factors are there which are even numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 even factors. There are 6 factors which are even numbers for 36. Now my dear friends, for bigger numbers, I already said some in the exams nobody will give you simple numbers like 36, 64 like that. So definitely they will give you bigger numbers like 1800, 2400, 2430, etc. etc. So before going for that concept, I will also teach you a shortcut, don't worry. But before that we will go for a procedure, actual concept. So after discussing the concept, we will go into the shortcut, right? Because that is the way we should learn. First we should understand the concept, then for time saving purpose we have to go to the shortcut. Okay, now my dear friends, before going for the concept, you should know a very small, very fundamental and basic thing regarding multiplications of even numbers and odd numbers. You take even numbers and multiply them. Not only 2, 3 also you can take, but minimum 2, right? Even number into, if you multiply even numbers with even numbers, what would be the product? Even number only. Suppose if you take 4 into 8, you will get 32. 4 is an even number, 8 is an even number, 32 is also even number. Now if you multiply odd number with odd number, the product will be odd number only. Suppose if you do 3 into 7, it will be 21. 21 is also an odd number. Not only 2 odd numbers, any number of odd numbers continuously multiply, the product will be odd number. Now if you multiply even number with odd number, the answer will be even number. Suppose if you take 4 into 7, the answer is 28. 4 into 7 is 28. 4 is an even number, 7 is an odd number, 28 is an even number. Not only like this, you take n number of odd numbers, one even number is enough. The product will be even number. You take 50 numbers, out of that 50 numbers, 49 numbers are odd numbers. Just one even number you put like 2 and 4 or 8, the product will be even number. So even is more dominating in multiplication. This is a very basic and fundamental funda that you should know before going for the solving this concept, right? Okay, now my dear friends, now I am going into the concept which actually will tell you how to find the even number of even factors which are even numbers, not even number of factors which are even numbers. Then we'll discuss about the shortcut also. Now friends, let us understand the concept. I am taking the number called 36. You know very well. First we have to do prime factorization. So I am writing it as 2 into 18. Then I am writing it as 2 into 2 into 9. Then I can write it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So finally we can write it in a prime factorized form called 2 square into 3 square. 2 square into 3 square. Okay, my dear friends, now the second thing is 2 square. We will take the factors of 2 square. 2 square. So 2 power 0 is a factor, 2 power 1 is a factor, 2 power 2 is also a factor, right? Now taking 3 square, here also same thing. 3 power 1 is a factor, 3 power 2 is also a factor, 3 power 0 is also a factor, right? 3 power 0 is also a factor because 1 is also a factor. Now you take each and every number and make them interact with every other number so that no combination is missing. That's what we write, right? So first I am taking 2 power 0. So 2 power 0 into 3 power 0, this one. 2 power 0 into 3 power 1. 2 power 0 into 3 power 2. Okay, first number. Now I am taking this number, then I am connecting with these 3. Second set. 2 power 1 into 3 power 0. 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. 2 power 1 into 3 power 2. Next 2 power 2. 2 power 2 into 3 power 0. 2 power 2 into 3 power 1. 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. So these are the three sets, right? So now we will see the answers what we are getting. So 2 power 0 into 3 power 0, that is 1. Already we did it, but I will tell you the technique, don't worry. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 1 into 9 is equal to 9. Now my dear friends, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Now 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. And 4 into 9 is equal to 36. The numbers are jumbled, but the same numbers came, we can see the same numbers 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Okay. Now my dear friends, what is our concept? These are the total number of factors including 1 and itself. Now what they are saying, we want only even factors. So here my dear friends, clearly you can see 1 is an odd number, not necessary. 3 is an odd number, not necessary. 9 is an odd number, not necessary. So here, this is an even number, 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 this is also an even number, this is also an even number. Right? So the concept is, my dear friends, here wherever 2 power 0 is involved, wherever 2 power 0 is involved, in that product only you are getting odd numbers, and we don't want odd numbers. So that means in the entire process, wherever 2 power 0 is involved, we have to skip that plus 1 process. In the shortcut also, we will discuss. So 2 power 0, wherever 2, because 2 power 0 is 1, this is 1, 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 0 is 1, this 2 power 0, 3 power 0 is 1, that is odd number. So odd number into odd number will give odd number, obviously. See, these are all odd numbers. This is odd number, this is odd number, this is odd number, and 1 is also an odd number. Odd number into odd number will give again odd number, and all. We don't want odd numbers, we want even numbers, right? So this 2 power 0 is the actual headache for us. So we have to remove this. So what concept is saying that wherever 2 power 0 is there, that set has to be removed. So my dear friend, this is what. So what are the factors that we need? 2, 6, 18, 4, 12, 36 are the actual numbers which are actual factors which are even numbers. But this is a lengthy process. In the exams we cannot waste this much time. So that's why I'll tell you a trick, shortcut. So how to do this in an easy way. Now we are going for the trick. Take 36, prime factorize it. That is anyway compulsory. So 2 into 18. So 2 into 2 into 9. That is finally we can write 2 square into 3 square. 2 square into 3 square. Then we take these powers. Then we take these powers. So that is 2. That is 2. Next thing is we have to add 1, right? But we should not add 1 wherever power of to the power of base 2. So clearly do not add 1 to the power of base 2. Remaining things you need to do. So because here plus 1, so what is that? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 is there, no? We are not taking it, so we need not add 1. That is the reason why. Okay. Now my dear friends, here we are not adding 1. 2 is there, 2 is there. Here 2 is there. For this 2, I am not adding 1. For this 2 only I am adding 1. So multiply 2 into 3 is equal to 6. What are the 6? Even factors. Even factors. My dear friends, the trick is everything is same as finding total number of factors only, but there is a small change in the third step. What is that? Do not add 1 to the power of 2, because we are not considering this 2 power 0, because the 2 power 0, when it is connected to, when it is multiplied by other odd numbers, 2 power 0 is already odd number which is equal to 1. When it is getting multiplied with other odd numbers, the product is also coming as odd numbers, and we don't want the odd numbers. This is a concept to find, this is a problem to find even factors. That's why this is not allowed. So this is what we need to do. Now my dear friends, we will check out the way how to find odd number of factors. Not odd number of factors, factors which are odd numbers, right? Friends, now we will go and find odd number of factors. This is very easy. Odd number of factors, because we know the shortcut, right? Even into even will give even, odd into odd will give odd, odd into even will give even. So we need this concept only. If you want to get an odd product, my dear friends, compulsory all the numbers should be odd. So the trick is here, directly shortcut I am using, the trick is do not consider the entire section of 2, including power. But even suppose shortcut I am telling 36 is there. Now what we need to do, we can write it as 2 square into 3 square. That is a prime factorization form. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. Then what we do, we take the powers. But here what you have to do, this is a 2. So any number that is multiplied by 2 will give an even number, right? So we don't want even numbers. So we are entirely cancelling the part of 2. We are taking only this power, 2. Add 1 to it. That is nothing but 3. Only 3 factors are there, only 3 odd factors are there. If you want, you can check. If you want, you can check, my dear friends. What are the factors of 36? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. What are the odd factors? What are the odd factors? Only 3 are there. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. Understood? So these are the only, or else total number of factors. Some people will do lengthy method, that is also okay. Total minus even also will give odd. That is a lengthy process, but the easy way is, whenever you are finding even factors, do not add to the power of 2. Do not add 1 to the power of 2. Wherever 2 is there, you take its power and add 1, right? So whatever the power is there for 2, base 2, you should not add 1 to it. And now for finding the odd number of an entire section, wherever base is there, that entire section should be cancelled, and the remaining numbers, bases you have to consider, their powers you have to take, add 1. If so many are there, you have to multiply them and go forward, right? That is the way we should do. Friends, now we will try to find even factors and odd factors for somewhat bigger number. Now we have done for 36, right? Now we will do for 1800, which is actually given in the exam also. So here I am writing the process for even factors, because you know both. So here I am writing the process for odd factors. We will use the shortcut and we will try to know the concept. Even factors, odd factors. Right? Now prime factorization is anyway compulsory. That is 2 into 900. That is 2 into 2 into 450. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 225. That is 2 cube into 3 into 75. That is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square. This is the form, right? So whenever two bases are 2, 3 and 5, so powers are 3, 2 and 2. So the prime factorized form of 1800 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square. Okay. Now my dear friends, now we have to take the powers. Whenever we are finding the even numbers, even factors, we have to take the powers. All the 3 powers I am taking, 3, 2, 2. Right? Now what we have to do in even factors, whatever the power of 2 is there, what is the power of 2? 3. For that number we should not add 1. Don't add 1 to this power. Don't add 1 to power of 2. What is power of 2? 3. So remaining numbers you have to add, plus 1, plus 1. Now what are the numbers you got? 3, 3, 3. Now multiply them. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube. What is 3 cube? 27. 27 factors are there, which are even numbers. There are 27 factors which for 1800 which are even numbers. If you have a calculation, you can check, divide by 2, divide by 3, like that. You know the divisibility rules. My dear friends, if you go for the odd factors, this is even more easy, right? Okay, total minus even also will give. Now what we take, in the odd factors, we neglect the entire section which is having base 2. 2 power 3, the entire section we neglect. Only odd numbers will. 3 power 2 is there, only this power 5 power 2. These 2 powers, 2 and 2, this 2 and this 2 will take. That means we don't take this entire section, only this one and this one. So 2, 2. This 2 and this 2 will take. And we add 1 to it. This is 3, this is 3. Into 3. 9 odd factors are there. 9 odd factors are there. Okay, this is the easiest way. We already discussed by shortcut how to find the total number of factors, right? So including means all the factors you will say, excluding 1 and itself means that 1 and itself you will remove, and the total number of factors minus 2 you will do, and you will tell it. So these are the even factors. This is how we have to find. What is the technique? Again I am telling what is the technique in even to find the even factors. Same thing as total number of, but when we are finding the even number of factors, you should not add 1 to the power of 2. We already discussed the concept. And when we are finding the odd factors, the entire section contains base 2. The entire section including the power, the entire section containing base 2 has to be neglected. Only the odd bases and their powers, only the powers of the odd bases should be taken. 1 should be added and then multiplied. Whatever the answer you get, that is nothing but odd factors. That is nothing but number of factors which are odd numbers.